Ladders are an essential tool in many workplaces, but improper use can lead to serious injuries. To ensure your safety and the safety of those around you, it's critical to follow the correct procedures every time you use a ladder. The first step to ladder safety is selecting the right ladder for the job. There are a number of different types of ladders, including step ladders, which are great for retrieving items stored at or above head height. Platform ladders, which are great to access heights greater than what a step ladder can achieve. And there's also extension ladders, which appear like two or more ladders attached to one another, which can slide to extend before locking into place. These are great if you need to access areas like ceiling spaces or climb on top of a roof. Whatever ladder you need, make sure the ladder is the appropriate height and weight capacity for the task. Never use a damaged or unstable ladder. Always inspect for cracks, loose rungs, or broken supports before climbing. When setting up a ladder, ensure it is placed on a firm, level surface. If necessary, secure the base to prevent shifting. Extension ladders should extend at least 1 meter above the landing point, and the angle should follow the 4-to-1 rule, 1 meter of base distance for every 4 meters of ladder height. Always maintain 3 points of contact while climbing. Keep 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand, in contact with the ladder at all times. Face the ladder directly, climb slowly, and use a firm grip. Never carry tools or materials in your hands. Use a tool belt or hoist system instead. Once positioned, keep your body centered between the side rails. Overreaching can cause loss of balance and falls, so move the ladder instead of stretching beyond your safe range. If working at height for extended periods, use a harness or fall protection system as required by workplace safety regulations. When descending, maintain 3 points of contact and move slowly. Never skip rungs or jump down, as this can lead to loss of balance and injury. Using ladders correctly is not just about convenience, it's about preventing accidents and ensuring everyone's safety. A single mistake can lead to serious injuries or worse. By following proper ladder safety procedures, you protect yourself and your co-workers from unnecessary risks. Stay cautious, stay balanced, and stay safe. Proper ladder use is a small effort that makes a big difference in workplace safety.